Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. And today we have a headlamp assembly off of a 1971 Kawasaki H1A. I just want to show that this works. I have it rigged up here so I can quickly switch from one beam to another. So both the high beam and the low beam work on this headlight. What this headlamp includes is the chrome bucket with the high beam indicator, the headlamp ring with the sealed beam. As you can see, it's kind of rusty down here, rusty inside the headlamp bucket. There's also, we noticed, it's dented over here around this mount area. It is pretty rusty here on the ring. Want to make sure we point out everything. There's definitely some blemishes on this unit. This is more of a rider type part than I would say for a restoration. Now this will fit a 69 H1, except that originally came with a separate bulb. This would just replace it with a seal beam. So this is used on 69, 70, 71, and 72 H1Cs. This will be on our e-store. Thank you.